हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे अबाउट द मसल्स ऑफ द बैक, सेकेंड मसल्स ऑफ द बैक विच इज द लिवेटर स्कैपुली. दिस इज द पार्ट 2. तो ओरिजिन ऑफ द लिवेटर स्कैपुली, ओरिजिन कहाँ से होता है? फ्रॉम द C1 टू C4, यहाँ से ओरिजिन होता है. अगर हम और डीप थोड़ा सा बात करें तो ट्रांसवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ द C1 वर्टिब्री, C2 वर्टिब्री एंड posterior tubercle of the transverse process of the C3 and C4. C1 की and C2 की ट्रांसवर्स प्रोसेस से एंड posterior tubercle C3 में और C4 में posterior में एक ट्यूबरकल होता है, उस ट्यूबरकल से ओरिजिन होगा लिवेटर स्कैपुली. सो लिवेटर स्कैपुली ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दी transverse process of C1 C2 and posterior tubercle of the transverse process of the C3 and C4 vertebrae. So this is the origin. Now insertion on the superior angle of the medial border of the scapula. ये scapula का medial border है और ये lateral border है. So medial border में एक angle होता है, this angle is called superior angle. इस angle पे insertion होता है किसका? transverse levator scapulae का. So levator scapulae insert into the superior angle of the medial border of the scapula. This is the origin and insertion of the levator scapulae muscle. Now nerve supply of the levator scapulae is C5 रूट से निकलती है. nerve is dorsal scapular nerve. Root value is C5. Nerve is dorsal scapular nerve which is arise from the C5 root. Now action, अगर ये मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगी then it will elevate the scapula, elevation the scapula with the help of upper fibers of the trapezius muscle. This is the levator scapulae. Action is elevation of the scapula, elevation is of the scapula and stabilize the scapula. It is steadies the scapula. scapula को पकड़ के रखेगा, scapula को stabilize करेगा. And action is elevation and stabilize the scapula. This is the levator scapulae. Now talk about the third muscle which is the rhomboid minor. Third muscle which is rhomboid minor. Origin of the rhomboid minor. Firstly, ligamentum nuchae is from C1 to C7. This is the ligamentum nuchae. This is ligamentum nuchae. This is the ligamentum nuchae. Origin of the rhomboid minor from the lower part of the ligamentum nuchae and C7 and T1 from there. Transverse process of the C7 and T1 and lower part of the ligamentum nuchae. This is the origin of the rhomboid minor. Rhomboid minor का origin कहाँ से होता है? Lower part of the ligamentum nuchae plus transverse process of the C7 and T1 vertebrae and insert into the base of the root of the spine of scapula. This is the spine and this is the base of the spine and insertion just below the levator scapulae. This is the insertion point of the rhomboid minor. rhomboid minor का origin कहाँ से होता है? ligamentum lower part of the ligamentum nuchae से plus transverse process of the C7 and T1 vertebrae and insertion into the base of the root of the spine of scapula. ये spine का base है, इस base पे इसका insertion होता है. This muscle is called rhomboid minor. Nerve supply of the rhomboid minor is same as this levator scapulae nerve supply. Dorsal scapular nerve. डॉर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व रूट वैल्यू C5, C5 से डॉर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व निकलती है. दिस नर्व सप्लाई टू द लेवेटर स्कैपुली प्लस rhomboid minor and rhomboid major also. Action of the rhomboid minor is retraction of the scapula. This will help in the retraction with the help of middle fibers of the trapezius muscle. यानी कि middle fibers of the trapezius plus rhomboid major and minor मिलके retraction of the scapula कराते हैं. This is the protraction, this is the retraction. तो retraction of the scapula is done by rhomboid major minor plus middle fibers of the trapezius muscle. Now talk about the rhomboid major. Rhomboid major का origin from the T2, this is the T2 vertebrae, T3, T4 and T5. from the T2 से T5 vertebrae से कहाँ से होता है origin? from the T2 T5, T2 to T5. This is the origin of the rhomboid major. Rhomboid major originates from the T2 spinous process to T5 spinous process of the thoracic vertebrae, and it will insert into the just below the root of the spine of scapula. This is the root, and below the root there is the insertion of the rhomboid major muscle just below the rhomboid minor. This is the insertion and insert on the medial border of the below the root of the scapula, spine of the scapula. This is the insertion of the rhomboid major muscle. Medial border origin कहाँ से होता है? From T2 to T5 transverse process of the T2 T5 thoracic vertebra से, and it will insert into the medial border of the just below the root of the spine of the scapula. This is the insertion of the rhomboid major muscle. Now nerve supply of the rhomboid major is dorsal scapular nerve. Dorsal scapular nerve. Root value is C5, which is the also supply to the rhomboid minor and also supply to the levator scapulae. Action of the rhomboid major and rhomboid minor and rhomboid major is same. It will help both and plus middle fibers, help middle fibers of the trapezius muscle. ये तीनों फाइबर क्या करेंगे? रिट्रैक्शन ऑफ द स्कैपुला कराएंगे. दिस मसल विल हेल्प इन द रिट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्कैपुला. सो रिट्रैक्शन ऑफ द स्कैपुला कौन कौन सी मसल कराती हैं? फर्स्ट इज मिडल फाइबर ऑफ ट्रेपीजियस. सेकेंड rhomboid minor, and third is rhomboid major, and these all also stabilize the scapula, steady the scapula, steady scapula, study scapula, and also study by the levator scapulae. So these are all the nerve supply and action of the rhomboid major, minor and levator scapulae. If you like my work, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.